Surprise! Hi foodies, welcome back to another video. It's Tamara again. If you're new here, welcome to the food family. If you're already a foodie, welcome back. In today's video, we're gonna make a banana bread. I don't even know if I should bake this. I'm not a baker, but I guess we'll find out together. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, all the things, the whole of them. Keep watching. It's gonna be fun. I have 1 1/4 cup of flour. I have a ½ teaspoon of salt. I have 1 teaspoon baking soda, and I'm gonna sift this together. Sift. Guys, if it looks more than what I'm telling you, it's because I'm doubling the recipe. So whatever I have in here, it's double the amount. But what I just mentioned and the ingredients and recipe are going to be down below. It's going to be for 1 loaf. So that's sifted. Now, in this bowl, I'm going to add 1 cup of sugar. But remember, I'm doubling the recipe, so I'm adding 2 cups. But the recipe link below will be for 1 loaf. So 1. I'm going to add a little bit less because I want it to be overly sweet. So sugar. So I'm going to add, just make sure it's 1 cup. So I'm doing 1 cup of butter. Then I'm going to bring this to my mixer. So quick tip, I learned this from one of my pastry chefs that I used to work with. If you want to get anything out of the egg easily, because you know how tricky that could be, use a piece of the shell or a half shell to take out anything that you want. Or anything you don't want, I should say. So I'm going to whisk this and put it aside. But in the meantime, I could also add my vanilla. So I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla. I'm winging it. So that's whisk. So I have my banana ready. My eggs I just whisked. My flour, baking soda, and salt. And in my mixer, I have my butter and my sugar going. I'm just gonna grease this pan. Pan's ready. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna turn it down. I randomly scrape the sides in between. So to this, I'm going to add the eggs. To this, I'm gonna add the bananas. And then on low speed, I'm adding my flour. That's what it's looking like. This is what I'm looking like. Now I'm gonna add this to this. You could also add like chocolate to it, make it banana chocolate chip. You could add, I don't know, raisins, whatever you want or whatever you like. So I'm just gonna bring this like halfway. Give it a good tap. And then we're going to the oven. Oven is set at 350 Fahrenheit. That goes in. Set it, forget it. Once my banana bread has been baked and cooled, I'm making a blueberry compote to serve with it. So to a small pot, I'm adding a cup of blueberry, quarter cup water, quarter cup sugar, teaspoon vanilla, some lemon juice, and in a separate measuring cup, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of water, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Combine everything, cook it off so the cornstarch could get thick. Once that's done and cooled, I'm going to serve this banana bread with the Jamaican grape nut ice cream, with the blueberry compote, with mint, and banana bread is dressed with icing sugar. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll cook together again.